guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just starting my 4 days off. I was back shift last night. Woke up around 12 or 1. I think I woke up around 1. Got in the shower and I'm just getting some things done around the house. Chip is actually gone for a grooming appointment, so while he's not in the house, I'm going to mop the floor, and I have his dog dishes and stuff in the dishwasher there. So I don't really have any plans today, just cleaning the house. I did get a few things from Amazon yesterday. I'll show you that in a little bit. So I'll take you along with me on my days off, and hopefully this vlog I will do some baking.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be,
So I got a few things from Amazon yesterday, and one of them is this clear spice rack. The 3 things that I got are like organizational things for the kitchen. Over by our stove over here, there's a cupboard that I keep like salt and pepper and spices and oil and stuff like that. So I got this to organize it a little bit. We don't use too many spices, but I wanted to put them on this so I can see them better in the cupboard. And in my last vlog, if you watched it, you saw that I bought the little spice jars from the dollar store. So I'm gonna use those and just label them and put them in there. I'm gonna reorganize that cupboard today with this. And I got these acrylic, I guess they're considered also a spice rack, but I got them for the drawer that I keep my sprinkles in. Yes, but I'm gonna take them all out of the package and then I'll show you. So here they are. Here they all come in like separate pieces and they line up, and then you can adjust them like to fit. But this is how it works. So my sprinkle drawer over here, I'm gonna try to put them here, so when I take the sprinkles more like this and less flat, and I'm gonna try to line the drawer so they don't slide around. Okay, so lastly I ordered these bamboo drawer dividers, and I'm going to use them somewhere in the kitchen. But so they open up like this, and then you use the tension to push it up against the insides of your drawers. So I don't know where I'm going to use this yet, but I'm going to try to put that somewhere in the kitchen. I think maybe in like the dish towel drawer. So I'm going to start off with the sprinkles drawer, and I'm just going to take everything out. Okay, so I have them all on the risers, and I just put the smaller Sweeta Polita bottles in the front. Yeah, so there is a little bit of room in the back, but I just put some loose sprinkles over here, and all my colors are still there. So yeah, I think that looks a little nicer. Okay, so this is the cupboard I was talking about that I'm going to put the spice organizer in, but I'm going to take everything out first and clean it.
because you don't know who you're going to be.
Hey guys, it's much later now. After I last filmed, I went and picked up Chip from the groomers, and then we went to my mom's and had spaghetti supper, and now I am just on the way home. It's 7 o'clock, and I don't have much planned for tonight. I think I'm gonna fold some laundry, and Seamus and I might watch Blacklist, so I'll catch up with you later. Morning. Chip and I are just getting ready to go for a walk. Ignore that, still haven't made the bed. Yeah, so we're just gonna go for a walk. All I have planned for today is I have to get my hair done at 1, finally getting all my grays covered up. Where I slept yesterday until 1 p.m, I wasn't tired, and I stayed up past midnight, and then I didn't wake up till 9:30. So weird start to the day, but I'm hoping to go to bed at a regular time tonight, and then I can wake up at a decent time tomorrow. That's how that works, right? We still have our Christmas wreath on our door. I have to take that off. I might do that when I get back. It's really icy where we are, so I wear these boots. My mom got me them last year when I fell and hit my head on the ice. So they have retractable like spikes on them. They can fold out of the way, but yeah, they dig in the ice, so prevents me from falling so I don't split my head open. But yeah, no joke. Last year when I fell and hit my head, I had a pretty bad concussion and I like blacked out when it happened. So it's not fun. Okay guys, I just had a shower and now I'm going to make a bagel. Lately I have been putting, I forgot to get more at the grocery store, but lately I've been taking one of these Laughing Cow cheese and like putting it on the bagel. It's been really good. So I'll do that. I need to get more of them at the grocery store, but and then I think I'm going to have some watermelon with it. And I'm gonna eat the rest of these raspberries before they go bad. So let's do that. Okay, finished up my breakfast and I was just watching a Disney video. I'm going to get my hair done today. If you can see all of these gray hairs, they need to get covered. So I'm going to get my hair colored. For the longest while, I've been just getting my hair cut all one length. My hair is frizzy. It's not dead on the ends. It's healthy. I might see if Holly will put some layers in it. My hair is very thick and frizzy here. It's thinner up here by my hairline. So it's cold out, so I'm gonna start my car, brush my teeth, and head out. Okay, my hair's done. I got it layered a little bit and thinned out a bunch. It's much darker now. My gray hair is gone. Okay guys, it's very late in the morning. We slept in. I'm not gonna tell you what time it is.
12 and 1 or 1?
Yeah, we didn't go to bed until 1 o'clock-ish, so it's not even that bad. Anyways, we're taking Chip for a walk outside. We're going together in case his paw starts bleeding. I didn't tell you that. Chip's nail, the nail on the side of Chip's foot, it's like it broke off somehow last night and it was bleeding everywhere and we were slightly panicked, but he's okay and we're gonna take him for a walk now. We just got a package in the mail. It's like some kind of material thing. And I think I know what it is, but I just don't understand how it can fit into this little box. So I ordered a thing to go on the bed behind our pillow. So I thought it would be good for reading. So when I'm sitting up in bed, instead of just having the one pillow, it's like an added support thing. I'll insert a picture here of what it actually is. It's like a wedge cushion almost across the whole bed. And I thought it would be good because we only have 2 pillows, because if we have more pillows, I think Chip would eat them. So I ordered this to take the place of another 2 pillows kind of, and I thought it looked cute. But anyways, I ordered it. I thought it'd be good for reading. So we're gonna open this to see what's inside. You can see that, but it's just like completely taped. Like, it's supposed to be this whole thing.
What's it say, Finnegan?
I don't know. I don't even know. But it's not what I ordered.
Pillow, isn't it?
Yeah, it's supposed to be like a triangle pillow. But it's supposed to be like a whole...
Gotcha. Handsome boy.
It's not what I ordered. Amazon. I'll insert the picture here of what I ordered again. It's supposed to be double across, or even more than this. And it's not very...
It's got a pocket.
It's not a very good shape. It's supposed to be a triangle, and this makes it appear that it's a triangle, but it's not a triangle. Maybe it'll fluff up, but still.
$30 on the marketplace.
Okay, I've been duped by Amazon.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, the picture, as stated here,
That's what you gotta read.
shows a long thing for a queen size bed, but then when you read the description, it says 50 by 60 by 20, and I was like, oh my god, that's not right. But it's centimeters and not inches, and it would have made more sense if it was inches, because it would have been this long. It would have been just enough for the bed. I think that's how they get you, because the picture obviously is bigger than this. Look, there's no cut in the picture that shows a second one. They duped me, and I'm mad about it, and I'm going to Amazon to complain. I'm being a Karen because this is wrong. Okay, so I contacted Amazon about that pillow thing. It's kind of funny, but it's kind of sad because it's not what I ordered, or not what I thought I was ordering. Anyways, so like it works okay, but I was just expecting it to be the full length of the headboard. Anyways, Seamus and I are heading into Sydney. We're gonna go get Chip some dog food because we're running out. Smile. Okay.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that.
Okay guys, we're in the car again. Seamus is driving and we're going to eat pizza at his mom's. And if you're this far into my boring vlog, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more boring vlogs from me. We are up the field in the snow and running Chip. We're all bundled up.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working.
Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm not doing much else today, so I'm gonna edit this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me.
I just have to follow that because you don't know who you